Welcome to today's episode of Self-Aware Soul. As we step into the new year, many of you are thinking about resolutions. We set these goals with so much excitement, but how often and how many of us actually stick to these resolutions? By February, they become a thing of the past as we get busy with our day-to-day routine. How about we tried something different this year? Instead of a New Year's resolution, what if we focused on mindful living as a daily practice? This isn't about making promises or quick fixes. It's about choosing a lifestyle that encourages growth, care, and well-being every single day. Taking care of ourselves, eating well, staying active, and building relationships shouldn't be a January thing. It's something we can adopt into our everyday lives. Mindful living means being present in our decisions, treating and others with kindness, and making choices that align with what truly matters to us. When we practice mindfulness, we step off autopilot. It's all about noticing the little things, like how food fuels us, how movement lifts our energy, or how a good chat can make us feel better. It's not about being perfect or following a strict goal or diet. It's about being intentional and being kind to ourselves as we move through life's highs and lows. Let me share a quick story. How often do we get so caught up in making others happy or seeking approval that we forget to take care of ourselves? Mindfulness helps us break that cycle. It gently reminds us to pause, check in with ourselves, and ask, what do I need right now? When we do this often, it becomes a habit that supports real change. Mindfulness isn't about sitting quietly and meditating, though that can help. It's also about the choices we make every day. Every time we pause to enjoy a meal, take a walk outside, or just be present in the moment, we are practicing mindfulness. These small actions build the foundation for a more balanced and peaceful life. Holistic practices like Reiki, reflexology, and crystal healing can also support us in this journey. They help us connect with our energy, release stress, and find balance. These aren't just ways to relax, they're tools to deepen our connection to ourselves and our well-being. As we move into this year, let's try something new. Let's focus on living mindfully, not as a resolution, but as a way of life. Every day is a chance to grow, heal, and find joy in the simple things. By embracing or adopting mindfulness, we can create real change one small step at a time. Here's a short meditation to help us get started. Welcome to this mindfulness meditation, a moment of mindfulness. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, let go of any tension. Allow your body and mind to relax. Bring your attention to the present moment, leaving behind any worries about the past or the future. Imagine you're standing at the start of a new path. This path represents your journey of mindful living. Each step you take is a choice to care for your body, your mind, and your connection with others. Take a deep breath and feel the power of your intention. Picture yourself moving through your day, making mindful choices, whether it's eating with gratitude, taking a walk in nature, or simply pausing to take a deep breath. These small everyday actions add up to create a life that feels balanced and fulfilling. As you continue to breathe, think about the kind of life you want to create. Know that each moment is a chance to be present and intentional. Mindful living isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself with kindness. Take one more deep breath in, filling yourself with peace. As you exhale, open your eyes and take this sense of mindfulness with you as you go through your day. Practice this on a daily basis till it becomes a habit. All the best to you in 2025. Thank you for listening. Love and light.